Cotton. Favorite pillow insert among crafters and home designers. Poly-Fil Premier 12x16 accent, travel pillow inserts make a perfect travel pillow and are great for school, camp and club projects, tooth fairy pillows, ring bearer pillows, children's rooms and more. Perfect for adding a splash of color or a cozy spot when placed in the corners of your couch. They are just the right combination of softness and support for a child's room, window seat or reading nook. Cotton polyester cover with 100% polyester filling. Poly-Fil Premier Ultra Plush pillow inserts have the look and feel of down and are a favorite among designers, crafters, teachers and camp counselors. They are filled with polyester fiber fill and feature a cotton, polyester, high-quality cover. Perfect for adding a splash of color or renewing the look of any room in your home. Brighten up a pillowscape in your child's bedroom while creating a soft, comfortable space. The 12x16 travel size makes the perfect travel pillow and works great for school, camp, and charity projects or a creative activity at a child's birthday party. Whether you use them together or apart, they are the most versatile pillows you'll find. Top reviews from the United States. Fulfills its purpose. This pillow is great for kids' bedding and crafts. It's about the same size as the pillows that used to be provided on a certain airline but is a bit larger and fuller. I used 2 of them to fill a smaller zippered pillow cover. It looks good as a throw pillow but also works well as a guest pillow, when you want your guest to have a comfortable sleep but not so comfortable that they overstay their welcome.